born. Tell all the mountain to sing. Pray to our Father in heaven this day. Thank you for Jesus is born. And this will be a sign to you. The baby will lie in a manger in the city of David and Bethlehem. Go now, visit your Lord. Let all sing joyfully, Jesus is born. Tell all the mountains to sing. Pray to our